friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today we are going to prepare different types of croissant sandwiches. So let's get started. First we are going to make a chicken croissant. For that we are going to take a breast piece chicken. We're going to slightly cut it like that. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, add little salt, and then we'll squeeze some fresh lemon juice. We'll mix it all together. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. And we'll keep this to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now to the pan we'll add 1 teaspoon of oil. To this add 1 teaspoon of butter. We'll melt this. And now we'll add our marinated chicken. We'll cook this chicken nicely in the butter. Make sure the butter is all rounded up on the chicken. Now we'll add some garlic, some onion, and we are going to just saute it in the butter. Then we'll add a teaspoon of butter on top. We'll saute it till the onions are transparent. Now we'll add a little chili sauce. Then on top we'll add some tomato ketchup. We'll add some lettuce and we are going to saute it all together. And then we'll put the chicken on top. We'll keep this for a minute. Now we'll cut a croissant. There, and we are going to keep it on top. We're going to slide it, and there it is. We'll add 1 cheese slice. I will keep it to melt. We'll just toast a little both the sides, and there our chicken croissant is now ready. It's a very tasty and flavorful recipe, very easy to cook and loved by everyone. Do try it. Next we are going to prepare is a custard cream croissant. For that we'll boil 1 cup of milk. While the milk is getting boiled, we'll prepare custard mixture. For that we need 2 tablespoons of custard powder. To that we'll add 60 ml milk. Make sure there are no lumps formed. Well, you can see our milk is getting now boiled. Now slowly we are going to add sweetened condensed milk, about 50 ml. If you don't have condensed milk, you can use 3 tablespoons of milk powder with 3 tablespoons of sugar. We are going to stir this slowly. And next we are going to add is a custard mixture. And there you can see it's going to get ready. Now to this we'll add 1 or 2 teaspoons of butter, and we are going to mix it really well. You can see it's like a creamy toffee form. It's so creamy and it's very yummy. We'll cut the croissant and we're going to add this cream. It's a custom cream. And we'll add some tutti frutti on top. And there our custard cream croissant sandwich is now ready. You can just dash it up with some sugar powder or some icing sugar. It's a very yummy croissant sandwich. Next we are going to do is an egg croissant sandwich. For that we'll add 2 teaspoons of oil. Then we'll add some chopped garlics, some onion, some chopped carrots. We will saute it for a minute. Then to this we'll add some chilies. We'll saute it. Now in between we are going to make an egg mixture. For that we'll crack 1 egg. Now add 50 ml of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and give it a good mix. Our egg mixture is now ready. Now we'll pour it on top. We'll wait for a while, and now we'll slowly start to fold it on top. And on top we are going to add the croissant. Now flip it, and there our egg croissant is now ready. We'll add a little ketchup to it. We will toast slightly both the sides. Well, our egg croissant is ready. Now for a side we are just going to do a potato thing, so that we'll add some hot chili sauce on the pan, and then we'll add some tomato ketchup. We are going to mix it together. Now we'll add the boiled potato, cut in 2 halves, and we'll add the sauce on top. I cannot put a name to this, it's just a side for the egg croissant, though it's very tasty too. We'll just put all the sauce on top, and we are going to sprinkle some oregano. You can use Italian seasonings or pizza seasoning, anything you wish. Well, it's ready. So egg croissant is also now ready. Well, these croissant sandwiches are really amazing, yummy, tasteful, flavorful, and loved by all the ages. Do try it. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.